Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share this with you. We came across it by accident, and it is all natural, and wait till you see it. It is the best deer deterrent you have ever seen in your lives, and it's all natural, and it would have normally been dumped out. Let me share with you a little bit more information. I had to use these to keep the deer away from my flowers, and this works better. I used to have those deer sprayers all over the yard to keep them out of my yard, but let me share with you where the deer come in at. They come in between that rock and that fence corner right there, straight ahead where the bush is. And this stuff is amazing, but take a look at this. It looks like cottage cheese. And you know deer scent, well, here's some information on it. And it doesn't stink to you outside, so I just do this number. Doesn't take very much. That's it. And then in the back there, way in the back, the deer like to jump over that fence back there. I put some back there and right up by the fence, and they don't jump over it anymore. They turn and walk away. So this is going to stop them from crossing, because they come from those woods way over there behind that house, and they'll fill this whole yard up here of my neighbors. But this will stop them right here. It is amazing deer deterrent, and it's all natural. And you ask what this is? It was a half a gallon of milk that went bad that we didn't drink quick enough. So you set it out in the sun, or you set it outside for about a week, crack the lid just a little bit, and let it really get bad. And it works, and it's almost free, other than you lost the milk because you're gonna dump it out anyhow. So Mr. Know-It-All to the rescue. And as we always say, Mr. Know-It-All out.